I recently found a secret faceless YouTube channel that makes money by uploading simple short movie explanation videos, and the fun part is no one talks about this. And this niche has very little competition and has a huge demand for the audience. You can tell by just looking at the views. And obviously they are making thousands of dollars. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Let's dive right in. So I was browsing YouTube the other day and stumbled upon this amazing channel called Zane. They upload these short, snappy videos where they explain movie plots in just a minute. And guess what? In just a few months, they have gained over 2 million subscribers and have earned over 1 billion views. And of course, they're making some serious amount of money from it. You can see these other channels, for example, and they all are monetized. And observing these kinds of videos for the past few days, I got an idea in my head that we could make a significant amount of money by making this kind of simple and short 1-minute movie explanation videos. And since the competition in this niche is still very low, this is your chance to get started. I'm not going to waste your time showing how to create a YouTube channel, because there are already thousands of videos on YouTube on how to create a channel. So just watch them and create a brand channel. To start, you need a catchy channel name. You can choose any kind of name, but remember, always treat your channel as a brand. So a name that's short, clear, and niche-centric can turn heads and spark curiosity. So give it a name that sticks. But if you are getting exhausted finding a name, you can always use ChatGPT. Now for the banner and logo. You can use any photo editor to make them, but if you are not a good designer,
Nothing. No ideas. Useless, empty brain.
then simply enter your prompt in Mid-Journey, and there you have it. First things first, you need to choose the movies you want to explain. Pick popular movies that have a lot of buzz around them. This will help attract more viewers. You can do the research on Netflix, Amazon Prime, and even other online movie streaming sites. Make a list of movies, write down key moments of the plot, and think about what makes the movie interesting. Your goal is to make the explanation engaging and funny. The best way is to find a trending movie that's been talked about a lot recently. You can also use Google Trends to find trendy movies. But I'm a movie fan myself. I know what's trending right now. Here's an example. If you're explaining Godzilla vs. Kong: The New Empire, which was released a few days ago, here you need to focus around the two titanic forces, Godzilla, the king of the monsters, and Kong, the mighty ape. And they have to join forces to save humanity from the evil ape, the Scar King. So they are the key characters. Highlight the major plot twists without giving away too much to keep your audience hooked. Don't worry about any copyright problems of these movie clips, as there's no chance of getting any kind of claim or strike on copyright-protected content on YouTube Shorts feed. Now let's write the script. You want to keep it short and sweet. Here's a simple structure you can follow. 1. Start with a hook to grab attention. Explain the main storyline, focusing on the key events. It could be anything like a dialogue and action scene, a thrilling moment, etc. 2. Add some fun trivia or interesting facts about the movie. And at last, wrap it up with your personal thoughts. If you don't want to do all that for a script and want to create a similar video like the others, you can just copy the link of their video and download the subtitle file. To download the subtitle file, go to this website called DownSub. Paste your link here and click download. The advantage of this website is that you can download subtitles in any language from here. The link will be in the description. Then paste your script on ChatGPT and rephrase it. There you have your script. You can thank me by a sub. Still, if you want a better script, I prefer to create it on your own. Now, after our script is done, we need a professional and engaging voiceover. A good and professional voiceover can make a lot of difference. Now, there are 3 ways to get this thing done. 1. Use your own voice. If you think that you have a very great voice, then you can just start with your own voice. 2. Hire a voice artist. You can go to marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork and hire voice artists from here, but you have to pay for it. But I don't want my viewers to spend a single penny on this. Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm telling you about a website that can be a perfect solution for you. For the voiceover, I use a tool called 11 Labs. It's super easy to use and gives you professional quality voiceovers. And the voice you hear now is also produced by 11 Labs. It sounds so natural that you can't catch the difference between a robotic voice and a human voice. Here's how you do it. Just go to their website and sign up for 11 Labs. Create a new project, then paste your script into 11 Labs and choose your preferred voice. You can even customize the voice to sound more natural. Modify settings like tone, speed, and pitch to get the perfect sound. Once you're satisfied with the audio, export the audio file. But there is a problem here. You see, after signing in 11 Labs, you can generate up to 10,000 characters. With 10,000 characters, you can get a maximum of 10 minutes of recording for free. So now the question is, where will you get the voiceovers after 10 minutes is over? I have a solution for that. From your desktop or your mobile, use another Gmail to sign in into 11 Labs. In this way, you can generate 10 more minutes of voiceovers. Many of you still question whether AI voices are monetizable or not. And my answer is yes. I cleared it before because I don't want to spread any false information to my audience. Now let's bring it all together using CapCut. CapCut is a very easy and handy video editing software where you can edit your video with amazing effects and animations like Premiere Pro and After Effects. And the best thing is, it's completely free. If you don't have CapCut, go to their website and download it for Mac or Windows. After the installation is done, here's a step-by-step guide to editing your video. Open CapCut and import your movie clips and the voiceover. Drag your audio file to the timeline and sync it with your visuals. Cut and add clips from the movie to match your audio explanation. Make sure to keep it fast-paced and engaging. Use transitions and effects to make your video look professional. CapCut has a lot of cool features you can use. Add text overlays in your explanation. You can use auto captions to generate text overlays. Choose a text template to make it look more professional. Add some glow effect to make it more fancy. Lastly, add some background music to keep the viewers entertained. Just make sure it's not too loud to overpower your voice. Now let's see our final project.
Behind the waterfalls, Kong suddenly sees a colossal figure, 10 times his size, approaching him. His heart pounds in his chest as he prepares for a monumental battle. But as the figure comes closer, the enormous monster shrinks in size, turning out to be a small ape, no larger than a human. Kong is stunned. He has never seen another of his kind on this hollow earth before. He extends a massive hand to the little ape in a gesture of peace and curiosity. Instead of accepting the handshake, the little ape snaps at Kong's hand, biting him. Before Kong can react, a horde of giant, monstrous apes emerge from the shadows. They roar and charge at him. Though the monstrous apes are fierce, Kong's strength and determination prove unmatched. He fights them off one by one until everyone is defeated. Breathing heavily, Kong looks at the little ape, who is now watching him with a mix of fear and awe. Kong was looking for his family. Now he knows there are more like him, so he orders the little ape to lead him to others like them. The little ape hesitates, but agrees to lead the way. He takes him on a quest, but Kong overcomes all kinds of obstacles. Finally, after a grueling quest, they arrive at a hidden valley. Kong's heart swells with emotion as he sees a group of apes, much like himself.
And that's it. With these simple steps, you can start making money by uploading short movie explanation videos on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on earning money online.